smack down the ground. A powerful stroke from Abdul Malik. An amazing stroke for 6.
Abdul Malik Labedsaha. Dīr Kushikil Sarada Labalpa. Langan Bangladesh Kutumandu the Paravalo.
He's found the gap. He's found the gap for 4. Lovely stroke from Hussein Sakil. Punching through the offside. And of an expensive over from Bashir Ahmed.
Abdul Malik Salur Hassan Izaqi.
Got it fine. Got it fine for 4. Leg by signal. Welcome runs for Ramu Sharks. Risky flick from Abdul Malik. The stylish stroke gets another boundary. Leaking runs the team was defenders. Knocks him over, trying to play an innovative stroke. The stumps, the actual middle stump is lying flat on the ground, and Yama Arab has struck. Gets it over the top of mid wicket. A lovely stroke. It's bouncing away to the fence for 4. Good shot to get off the mark. Down the track and slices over, point for 6. It's a humongous stroke. Intention quite visible here from the blade of Imran. End of the over.
Down the wicket. Wait for Barani hissa lagegi. Third man ke.
Right into the 10. Short ball and trying to pull through the onside. This could be caught by the wicketkeeper. Takes his time, settles underneath and takes the catch. He completes the catch, and Tariq has provided them with the breakthrough of the very first inning of his spell.
او ملي اتلان په کې ولوبيږي او دوی لنګدي ننداره کوي دلته شاټ او بالکل سلور منډه بهترینه شاټو د کمال لوري او سلوري زه ترلاسه کړه.
شاهد کمال واکنم چې د کورنۍ کرکټ کو ګورو ډېر پزړه پوری توپه هم کېده بالکل ډګر ساتونکي د سر د پاسه ولوباو
نن ترازی نن خو ون ډاون پوزیشن ته راغلی و او دلته د شاټ هڅه او بالکل سلور منډې ښکلې سلوریزه وه او د deep square leg sort of Kareem Janat.
Stylish when it matters the most. Imran accepting pace onto the bat. That's from the middle of the bat. Don't bother chasing it. This has gone the distance. Massive hit from Imran. His eyes went agog as soon as he saw that in his zone. And now that extra ball will come up.
Well, Imran Mir is showing a class. He's creating the areas that he wants to hit it for himself. Going backward, creating room, knowing where Kareem...
Magical, actually. These are the stories that the world needs to know. This is in the air, should be taken. Opportunity granted, opportunity pouched. Arab has answered the call. The captain's quite happy here, breaking this partnership.
Gotta give credit to the skipper. Understanding the situation, knowing that the spinners are doing the job.
The names that you took as well, Ishaq and Ramanullah, should be taken. Pops out, bursts through his hands, and Naveed Ubaid cannot believe it. That could have been a regulation catch, at least in the book of Tariq. He sensed a second wicket coming, but guess what? It's 6.
Well, he just held a little bit in his action, bolted a little slower, created the opportunity, only for it to...
وړاندې ارکر مس کړو دا ځل آن سایډ کې دا ځل څلوري زنه بلکې باید شپږ راشي او لبولر خنای اساک رحیمی تشویقي او بالنا نیمسلی ز بش بڑا کړلا وړاندې چانس ورغه خو استفاده ته کوي او دغه ته غواړي چې دفاعي تلا امو شاکس لبډلا فعل د لسم بڑا شپږیزي لیګ په بریا سره وکړي پسله پوره خوندور اننس
چقدر زیبا. البته یقینا دیده میشه که ابران میر به خاطر پارتنرشیپ خوب و زیبایی تا به حالا داشته. شورت بلند فیلدر موجود است که هیچ آسان را به دست می آورد طبق توقع تیم و طبق توقع سر تیم باز دفندر. البته نور احمد است که این کارکردگی بزرگ را در عرصه بالنگش انجام میدهد.
ډېره ښه کپټنسي بالکل بال ورک شو او وینې لیدم دا واجه دا ځل بهترین دی خو هلته بیا لږ او دلته کیچ ډراپ کیږي پرله پسې موقع دی عمران میر دپاره او دا هغه څه دي چې بوس لوبډله به سردردي سره مخامخ کوي دوی به په دغه سیالۍ کې پاتې راځي ځکه عمران میر دوی پرېښی دی او هر ډول موقع چې دوی د هغه خلاف ترلاسه کړې ده له لاسه یې ورکړې ده او دلته یو بل کیچ
Took that additional bit of risk and he's played that as straight as possible.
A flat bat stunner down the ground by Imran. I thought he was beat for pace as well as beat on length. That's the hallmark of a player, is seeing the ball like a football.
Always knew that they bat deep. They always knew. And with gifts of this kind, Sami will not ignore. Good luck retrieving this ball.
That is into the construction site. That was a massive hit, a short arm jab by Samiullah. Did not even go through the stroke. That's pure power. Yes, it was a poor delivery, but that would have easily cleared any ground in the world. Massive hit.
That's from the sweet spot and will bring a sweet result. The Ammo Sharks put it past the Boost defenders. And these are two crucial points which will do them a world of good as far as their confidence is concerned. They start the tournament, they start the league in great flair.
Rightly so, winning hit by Imran. Right in the hitting arc. Most importantly, kept a good shape and swing through the line. Deep mid-wicket has been the most unbeaten on 85 and 58, and certainly the Sharks from the word go.